Meet Ken Honda, a man whose wealth is not just measured in millions but also in the number of lives he has transformed. Born and bred in Japan, Honda's journey to financial success is a testament to his unconventional approach to wealth and prosperity. Rather than viewing money as a finite resource, Honda sees it as an energy that flows, a perspective that is deeply ingrained in his Japanese upbringing. His success story is not one of overnight wealth, but a journey of consistent learning, introspection, and transformation. After running his own successful consultancy firm, Honda decided to dedicate his life to teaching others about money. His understanding of personal finance, coupled with his unique perspective on money and happiness, has made him a millionaire with a difference. Honda's approach to wealth is not about accumulating more, but about understanding the energy of money and how to let it flow freely in our lives. He has penned numerous books, each offering a deep dive into his philosophy. His most well-known work, Happy Money: The Path to Financial Freedom, introduces the concept of money magnetism, a term he coined to explain how our focus and desire for success can attract wealth. But Honda's influence extends beyond his books. He is a sought-after speaker, traveling the globe to share his insights on money, happiness, and success. His coaching services have helped countless individuals transform their relationship with money, encouraging them to view wealth not as a measure of worth, but as a tool for achieving inner peace and fulfillment. Honda's philosophy highlights the importance of nurturing high-quality relationships, practicing generosity, and maintaining a positive mindset around money. He emphasizes the need for a daily check-in process to keep our money energy flowing and balanced. Ken Honda's philosophy on money is not just about accumulation, but about transformation and inner peace. His unique approach to personal finance continues to inspire and transform lives, proving that financial success and inner peace can indeed go hand in hand. Chapter 1: The Problem of Unhealthy Money Relationships. In a world where self-worth often equals net worth, many find themselves trapped in an unhealthy relationship with money. It's a common predicament, where financial prosperity seems to eclipse the essence of personal fulfillment, and where the size of one's bank account becomes a measure of their value. In North America, this issue is particularly prevalent. Conversations around salaries are taboo, and the societal pressure to accumulate wealth can be overwhelming. Many individuals find themselves in a relentless pursuit of more money, more possessions, more status. But does this constant quest for financial growth truly lead to happiness? The answer, more often than not, is no. Research shows that an unhealthy obsession with wealth can lead to stress, dissatisfaction, and a host of other negative emotions. It's a vicious cycle, where the pursuit of money becomes both the cause and cure of our anxieties. And let's not forget the power of marketing. We're constantly bombarded with messages that tell us we need more, that we're not enough as we are. This can lead to a distorted perception of success, where wealth is seen as the ultimate goal, rather than a means to an end. But the problem doesn't end with the individual. This unhealthy relationship with money can also impact our relationships with others. It can lead us to prioritize wealth over meaningful connections, creating a sense of isolation and loneliness. Moreover, this relentless pursuit of wealth can lead us to overlook the invisible assets that truly enrich our lives: relationships, trust, happiness, and generosity. These are the qualities that bring us joy and fulfillment, and yet they're often sacrificed in the quest for financial success. In the grand scheme of things, it's crucial to remember that money is simply a tool. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. So instead of letting it control our lives, we should learn to use it as a means to create the lives we want. The pursuit of wealth can sometimes lead us away from what truly matters: our happiness and inner peace. So let's begin to shift our focus. Let's start valuing ourselves for who we are, not what we have. And let's redefine success in terms of personal fulfillment, rather than financial prosperity. Chapter 2: The Power of Positive Affirmations. Imagine transforming your stress around money into a sense of ease and prosperity. It's possible with the power of positive affirmations. To understand this, let's delve into the concept of money magnetism. This idea suggests that just as a magnet attracts iron, our thoughts, attitudes, and beliefs can draw in wealth. Now, you might wonder, how does this work? Well, it's all about the invisible assets: relationships, trust, happiness, and generosity. These are the real wealth magnets. Focusing on nurturing these aspects of your life can attract tangible prosperity. Let's consider relationships. Having meaningful connections with people, especially those who are financially savvy, can open doors to opportunities. Trust, on the other hand, is a two-way street. It's about believing in your ability to manage your finances and inspiring others to have faith in your financial decisions. Happiness and generosity, these are the cornerstones of money magnetism. Being content with what you have and giving without expecting anything in return creates a positive energy that attracts more wealth. It's like growing your money container. The more you give, the more you receive. Now, to harness the power of money magnetism, you need to maintain a positive mindset and energy around money. And positive affirmations can help with this. They are statements that you repeat to yourself, designed to foster a positive mindset. Phrases like, "I am attracting wealth with my positive energy," or "My financial decisions are sound and successful." These affirmations help to replace any negative thoughts or fears about money with positive beliefs and attitudes. But remember, money is energy, and energy needs to flow. If you hold on to it too tightly, it becomes stagnant. So let your money flow. Use it, invest it, give it. Trust that, as you let it go out into the world, it will come back to you in abundance. Remember, money is energy. Let it flow, and it will come back to you. Chapter 3: The Importance of a Balanced Life. Too much attachment to money can lead to imbalance. But when we respect money, we create a healthier relationship with it. This is a concept that many of us struggle with. It's easy to become consumed with the pursuit of wealth, to make it our primary focus, and in the process, lose sight of what truly matters. When we allow our lives to be dictated by the pursuit of wealth, we create imbalance. We neglect our health, our relationships, our passions, and our personal growth. We become so focused on the accumulation of wealth that we forget to live. This imbalance can lead to physical ailments like stress and anxiety, and mental health issues like depression. But what if we changed our perspective? What if we stopped seeing money as the end goal and instead saw it as a tool? A tool that can provide us with the means to live a more balanced, fulfilling life. Respecting money is about understanding its role in our lives. It's about recognizing that money is not something to be hoarded, but something to be used. It's about asking our money where it wants to go. This might seem like a strange concept, but think about it. When we spend money, we're directing it towards something. Whether it's towards a necessity like food and rent, or something that brings us joy like a book or a vacation, our money is going somewhere. By consciously deciding where we want our money to go, we're respecting it. We're acknowledging that money is not just a means to an end, but a part of our lives. We're recognizing that money has the power to bring us happiness, not by accumulating it, but by using it wisely. So let's shift our perspective. Let's stop seeing money as a threat, or as the sole determiner of our self-worth. Let's start seeing it as a tool that can help us live a balanced, fulfilling life. Money is not a threat, but a tool. Use it wisely and it will serve you well. Chapter 4: The Path to Financial Freedom. Welcome to the path to financial freedom, where happiness is the key to success and wealth. Let's delve into the insights from Ken Honda's transformative book, Happy Money: The Path to Financial Freedom. Honda's teachings are simple yet profound. He encourages us to shift our focus from the pursuit of money to the pursuit of our passions and desires. In the grand scheme of life, money is merely a tool, a means to an end. It is not the end itself. Ask yourself, what do you need money for? What are the experiences, the moments, the dreams you wish to bring to life? Once we have a clear picture of our true desires, we can begin to align our lifestyles accordingly. This could mean making significant changes, perhaps downsizing or upsizing, living more simply or indulging in the finer things. It's all about what brings you joy. This isn't to say that we should dismiss wealth. Quite the contrary. Wealth is a wonderful thing to aspire to. However, it's important to remember that wealth is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having a lot of options. It's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. That is the true essence of wealth. Honda also emphasizes the power of gratitude. By expressing appreciation for our money, we create a positive relationship with it. We stop seeing it as a villain and start seeing it as a friend. This shift in perspective can have a profound impact on our financial well-being. So, how do we embark on this path to financial freedom? It starts with happiness. Find joy in the present moment. Cherish the simple pleasures. Embrace the journey. The wealth will follow. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with happiness. Be happy first, and wealth will follow. As we wrap up this scene, let's carry with us this powerful truth, and may it guide us towards a future of abundance, prosperity, and most importantly, happiness. Chapter 5: Recap. In the world of Ken Honda, money and happiness are not mutually exclusive. It's a unique philosophy, one that encourages us to view wealth not as the ultimate goal, but as a tool for achieving fulfillment. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've explored today. We delved into the common problem of unhealthy money relationships where one's net worth is often mistaken for self-worth. This mindset, as we've discovered, does not lead to genuine happiness. We discovered the power of positive affirmations in reducing financial stress and fostering a positive mindset around money. We learned that money is energy, and hoarding it, rather than letting it flow, can lead to stagnation. It's about focusing on our invisible assets, relationships, trust, happiness, and generosity. We emphasized the importance of balance. Too much attachment to money can lead to physical problems. A healthy relationship with money respects it, asks where it wants to go, and recognizes it not as a threat but as a means for fun and extra cash. We also explored the path to financial freedom as laid out in Honda's book, Happy Money. It's about money magnetism, daily affirmations, healing past relationships, and understanding the three truths of life. It's about gratitude, appreciation, and a shift in focus from wealth for wealth's sake, to wealth as a means to achieving what we truly want in life. Remember, Honda's philosophy teaches us that happiness is the key to success and wealth. You can't be wealthy and happy without first being happy. It's a profound thought, isn't it? We invite you to join our community and continue this journey to financial freedom. Check out the next video to keep learning, and remember, your wealth is not just in your bank account, but in your heart.